Understanding main menu, navigating digital and physical spaces. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you'll encounter in both digital and physical spaces. Main menu. Understanding this phrase can help you navigate various settings more confidently. So, let's dive in. Main menu refers to the primary list of options or choices presented in a system, be it on a digital platform like a website or an app, or in a physical setting like a restaurant. It's the starting point where you can access different features, services, or items. In digital contexts, the main menu is often seen in software applications, websites, and electronic devices. It serves as a central hub where users can choose what they want to do next, like writing an email, checking settings, or starting a new game. This menu is crucial for user navigation and accessibility. In restaurants or events, the main menu typically refers to a list of available food and drink options. Here, it acts as a guide, helping patrons decide what to order. Understanding this term is particularly useful when dining out in English-speaking countries. Beyond just being a list, menus, especially in restaurants, often reflect the cultural and culinary essence of a place. They offer insights into local flavors, traditions, and preferences. This makes understanding the concept of a main menu not just functional but also a gateway to cultural exploration. Pay attention to context. The meaning of main menu can slightly vary depending on where it's used. Explore. Don't hesitate to explore different options in a main menu. It's designed for user interaction and discovery. Ask questions. If you're unsure about options in a main menu, especially in a physical setting like a restaurant, feel free to ask for clarifications. There you have it, a simple yet comprehensive look at the phrase, main menu. Whether you're navigating a new app or deciding what to eat at a restaurant, understanding this term can make your experience smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been informative. Happy learning and see you in the next video.